Hello, good evening, friends. Today I'm going to explain the examples of IUPAC nomenclature. So, dear friends, that is one video I already made. What is the formula, prefix, suffix, and all. I explained in the previous video, and now today we are going to solve some of the problem of the organic compound. So let us see, student. Firstly, I'm writing the problem, then we will try to explain that. So here is the problem number first, student. What is the problem number first? If you talk about this is the organic compound. Here is the double bond O, student, and here is H. And if you talk about this one, student, at the end it is the chlorine atom is there. Dear student, it is the bond line formula of the compound. You may be facing the problem. This compound can also be written like that. If you want to write this one, that is Cl is there, and Cl is attached to Cl always generally form the single bond with the carbon. So this Cl is attached to carbon, and that is here it is carbon. Then this one more carbon is there, student, here is. And if you talk about this one, that is this is on the third carbon. On the third carbon here is double bond O. See, double bond O, and with the same carbon, if you see hydrogen is there, and we know that is hydrogen also forms single bond with the carbon. Now student, that is carbon valency is 4. So what we can do to maintain the valency, we are adding the equal number of hydrogen atom to make the valency 4. Now the both compound are same, and rules is there, students, that is we have to start the numbering where the suffix is there. Means for the secondary suffix or functional group we have to give list number. So here is carbon number 1, student, this is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, student, this is carbon number 2, and this is carbon number 3. Okay, similarly if you want to write the numbering here, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And dear student, what we follow the trend of the numbering, student, how to write the name. So firstly we do the numbering. Okay, firstly we do the numbering, student, then we write the name of what we student, then we write the name of prefix, then we will write the word name of word root, then primary suffix, and then secondary suffix. Student, I told you that is what FCL, BRI are the prefix after numbering. So firstly we will write the name of the prefix. Here is the prefix after numbering. So on the third position, what is there, student? Cl is there. So that is 3 chloro. 3 chloro. Now what is there, student? Then word root. Word root means, student, how many carbon atoms are there. So in the parent chain, so if we talk about carbon atom 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon means, student, meth, eth, prop. That is what will come, student. This is prop. Now student, you see that is after primary suffix means, student, what kind of bond is there. You see between carbon and carbon single bond is there. So that is propane. And on the second, if you talk about secondary suffix, CHO group is there. CHO, this is CHO group, and for CHO group we wrote the word, student, al. So propanol. So that is the IUPAC name of the compound, 3-chloropropanol. And that is the same name can be if you want to write the position of functional group. So what we can write, student, this is also correct name in 3-chloropropane, 3-chloropropane 1-al. Okay, dear student, if the functional group is there on the first position, no need to write the mention the position of that functional group. Okay, first, if there is no position, it means the functional group is there on the first position. Now let us see, student, that is we are going to another example. And what other example are there, I am writing on the board, student, you try to understand that. So when you are going to write the another problem, student, I am giving you this. Okay, so the formula I am writing is the present in the bond line formula, student. Okay, so this is the compound. Okay, here is, student, here is the CN group is there. Okay, and here is the again methyl group is there. Same compound, how can we write, student? That is if you want to write this one, so this one, this is terminal carbon is what is contained, student, CH3, then this one middle carbon, that is CH2, then again that is CH, and here is what, CH3 is there, again CH2 is there, student. And if you talk about this one, this is CN. Now student, we will start the numbering from the functional group, and CN is functional group. So here is 1 2, this is 1 carbon, this is 2 carbon, this is 3rd carbon, this is 4th carbon, and this is 5 carbon. Total number of carbon is 5, student. Here also you can do numbering 1, here is 2, student, here is 3, this is 4, and last one is, student, this is 5. Now student, this is the methyl group, CH3 is methyl group here. So firstly what I told you, student, firstly we do the numbering, after that what is prefix, okay, then what is prefix, then what we write, that is word root, okay, then primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Ab student, CH3 is the prefix, so on 3rd position CH3 is there, and CH3 is written at, that is methyl. So 3 methyl, and then word root, how many parent chain carbon is there? 5. 5 carbon, student, that is pent. Then primary suffix, what kind of bond is there? Single bond is there, so that is pentane. And on first position first position CN group is there, so pentane. And then what will happen, student, that is pentane, this one is there, and nitrile. This is the name. CN means, the student, CN group means, if you CN is there, the IUPAC name is nitrile, NITRILE. Dear student, here E I am not removing because N is consonant, E is vowel. Two vowel cannot be together, but one vowel, one consonant is possible. The same name can also be written, student, in the different form, where we can position the CN group. So what will happen, student, 3 methyl, okay, 3 methyl pentane, 3 methyl pentane, 1 pentane 1, okay. Pentane means E also we have to mention, student, pentane 1, and what will happen, student, nitrile, pentane 1 nitrile, okay. 3 methyl pentane 1 nitrile. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Now student, little we are going little difficult version of the compound. Let us see what is the third IUPAC name of the one more compound. Okay, so if you want to know write the name of this compound, student, I am writing this, here is. Okay, suppose if you talk about this compound, student, here is methyl group is there, okay, here is I am putting ketone group, and here is I am putting Br group. Student, we have to write the name of this compound. This compound, if you want to write, student, you can write, that is terminal carbon is methyl group, student. So CH3 is there, inter CH2, here is CH, here is CH3, this side C double bond O, then CH2, and here is Br, student. So we have to give list numbering to the secondary suffix. Here 2 is there, so student, we will start numbering here 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. If you want to numbering here, student, you can do numbering 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, and this is the 4, and this is the 5. Dear student, you can start the naming of this compound. How to do the naming of this compound? So there are two primary number rule I told you, student. Firstly we do numbering, then we write the prefix, then we will write the word root, then we write the primary suffix, then we will write the name of the secondary suffix. Dear student, numbering we did, then prefix, how much, the Br is there and methyl group, 2 are prefix. So alphabetically we will start the numbering. So which one will come first, student? B will come first and M will be later. So that is 1 on the first position. What is there, student? This is the 1 bromo. And then third position, what is there? 3 methyl. Then what is word root is coming, student? Word root is there. How many carbon? 5 carbon, that is pent. Primary suffix, student, what kind of bond is there? Single bond. So that is pentane. E we are not writing, student. Okay, E we are not writing because two vowel cannot be together. Pentane and on second position secondary suffix is there student pentane 2-one. So 1 bromo 3 methyl pentane 2-one. This is the name of this compound student. Now we can move to the writing the name of the other compound also student, and we will be able to try some name of the compound which will be helpful to you. Okay, so let us go and write the some important compound, name of some important compound. So if you talk about this student, this compound here I am writing, this is the one compound I am mentioning student, and in this compound wherever this is there, with this two more dot is coming down. So on first one is the chlorine and another is bromine. Dear student, the same compound, if you want to mention the same compound, how can you mention in the detailed form? That is terminal carbon student, that is CH3. You see this is CH3, then what will come CH2, then what is C is there student, upside suppose Br, downside Cl, then what will come student CH2, CH2 1 2, then what will come 1 2 3, then CH2 and CH3. Dear student, when we do the numbering, we have to give the least number to that carbon which have the prefix. So we have to start the numbering from the left side. So here if you see student 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So total number carbon is student 7. If you talk about from this side student, we can go numbering. Here is 1, this is 2, this is what student 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this one is last one is 7. Now we need to write the name student. On the same position, what is there, two prefix are there student, bromo and chloro. So how can we write the name? That is, we are writing student on third position, what is there, 3 bromo, plus what is there student on the third position also there, 3 chloro, 3 bromo 3 chloro, then 7 carbon is there student. We can write that is hept, and total what kind of bond is student, that is single bond, that is heptane. So 3 bromo 3 chloro heptane will be the name of this organic compound. Now student, what we have to do, we have to erase and we will go for the other example. Okay, so other example how to write a student, the simple example I am giving you. Let us try to write the name of this compound student. This one is there, here you put the one same compound we can mention here student in detail. Okay, condensed formula CH3 CH, here is methyl group CH3, then CH2, again CH2, and finally what we will write student CH3. Now we need to write the name student. How to write? We will start from numbering here, because if you are numbering here 1 2 3 4th position prefix, so we will write here 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is third carbon, this is 4th carbon, and this is 5 carbon. For this compound also student 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this one last one is 5. Student, we have to write the name. So on the second position, what is there student, 2 methyl, then what will come student, 2 methyl. So I told you student numbering, then what will prefix, then word root, then primary suffix, then secondary suffix. This is the name. So numbering is over, then we will write the name of prefix. So prefix is already wrote 2 methyl, then word root. How many carbon student? 5 carbon, that is pent. Then what is primary suffix word? How much bond is, what kind of bond is single bond? So that is 2 methyl pentane. This is the IUPAC name of this compound student. This is being very simple student. Let us move another example. Okay, keep watching student, you will be able to understand the naming of this kind of compound. I am giving you one little changing and then giving the compound student. Okay, so this compound is there student, this, and on the center student it is like this. Okay, same compound, how can you mention if you want to write the condensed formula student? So that is terminal carbon is CH3, then what will come student? CH2, then again CH2, then CH, then CH2, CH3, okay, then what will come student? CH2, CH2 and then CH3. This is. Now dear student, you can start numbering from any side. 1 2 3 fourth position, 1 2 3 fourth position. So you can do student 1 2 3, this is the 4 carbon, this is 5th carbon, 6 carbon and 7 carbon. So total number of carbon atom here is student 7, and this group is student, this group is known as what? Ethyl. Ethyl. The formula you know student, first of all we do the numbering, then we'll write the prefix, okay, then we'll write that is word root, then we'll write the primary suffix, and then we will write the secondary suffix. Dear student, you follow this one. So numbering we can do any side. 1, here is 2, this is 3, this is being 4, this is being 5, this is 6 and 7. Any of the compound you can match student, you will be able to understand easily. So numbering we do did student prefix. So CH2 CH3 is there, student C2H5, and C2H5 is what is student? This is the ethyl, okay. So if you talk about that is on the 4th position, prefix is there student, what is 4 ethyl, then what is word root is there? How many carbon? 7. So 4 ethyl, 7 carbon means student hept. Then what kind of linkage is there? Primary suffix single bond. So 4 ethyl heptane. This is IUPAC name of this compound student. Now student, let us move for the other example, and you try to find out the name of the compound. So if you want to go student other example, so let us see student how I am giving you one problem. Okay, I am writing extreme right of the board because the compound is quite bigger. I am taking this one. So here I am putting student 1 dot, and here I am putting 1 dot. The same compound I am putting student. How to write the same compound student? Terminal is CH3. So CH3, then CH2, then CH, downside again CH3, this one, then again CH, upside again CH3 student, then what will come? CH2, CH2, this CH2, again CH2, and finally what will come student? CH3. Student, we have to start the numbering. See, if you are starting numbering from this side, 1 2 3 4, 5th position prefix is there. From this side 1 2 3, 3rd position. So we will start from the left side student. So firstly you do the numbering. 1 here is student, if you want to 1, this is 2, this is student 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is what student? This is 8 carbon is there student. Similarly you can do the numbering here. 1 2, this is student 3, this is student 4, this is student 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is student, this will come 7, this is 7, and this one is student 8. So on the 2 position, if you see student, anything is coming 2 times, that is the term we use di. So on 3 and comma, what is 4, what is 2 times is coming is methyl group student? 2 4 di. What is the name of this prefix student? This is methyl. 2 4 dimethyl. Then word root, how many carbon is there student? 8 carbon. So what is student? We will write that is oct. Then all are the single bond student, that is what will become student? 3 4 dimethyl octane. This is the name, IUPAC name of this compound. Okay student, now let us move some other example student. Okay, easy example we will be able to solve. Some more example. I am erasing this and I am going to give some little changeable example. So try to write the name of that type of example also student. So here is, I am giving you one compound student. This is the compound. Okay, here is I am putting methyl group student, and here I am putting the ethyl group like this. Student, the same compound can be also written like this. Terminal carbon is CH3, then CH, upside this is CH3, here is downside CH, here is what will come student? CH2, and here is CH3, then again what is coming student? CH2, 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 CH3. So this is CH, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is correct. So here is CH is over, this is over, CH2, CH2, CH3. So again what will come, student? CH2, then CH2, and 1 will come again CH3. So we will start numbering from this direction, student, because the prefix is here. So 1, 2, this is what? 3, this is 4, and this is 5, 6, and this is the 7. So 7 carbons are there in word root. Similarly, you can do the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 6, and 7. Dear student, why right side? Because prefix is nearer. Ab student, one is the methyl group, another is ethyl. So which one is alphabetically coming first, student? M or E? E is coming first. So that is, we will write third position. What is there, student? 3 ethyl. Third position, what is there, student? On third position there is ethyl group. So I am writing 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. Then on second position, what is there, student? Methyl. 2 methyl. Then what will come, student? Word root. How many word root? 7. 7 means what, student? Hept. And all are the primary suffix single bond, that is heptane. 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, heptane. This is the name of this compound. Now student, let us move and write the name of little difficult compound. Okay, slowly you will be able to understand, student. Ab student, we are taking the number of prefix more. Okay, little larger compound we are taking, complex. So what is the one compound I have taken, student? This is the compound, student. Okay, now student, if you talk about number carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, student, that is I am putting here is the 1 CH3 group, here is 1 CH3 group, and here is 1 CH3 group. Same compound we can write also, student. Here is CH3, okay, CH2, then CH, downside what is, student? CH3, then CH2, again CH2, okay, CH2, then here is CH, here is CH3, here is CH, here will be coming CH3, and this is also CH3. Our student, that is so many time you can get confused. The one rule is there, student, lowest sum rule. We have to understand lowest sum rule means, student, you after giving numbering, you check that is which direction sum of the position is coming least. So suppose, student, you are going numbering from this direction. So this is, if you are going this direction, downside 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, this is 5, 6, this is 7, and this is 8. So what are the position, student? Third position plus 6th position plus 7th position prefix is there. So how much is coming? 16 is coming. If you start numbering from this side, 1, 2, this is the 3, student, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and finally this is 8. So now if you are doing from this side direction, student, so first position 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 plus here is 6. 6 is coming, student. Total sum is, student, 3 to 5, 5, 6, 11. So which direction that is lowest is coming, student? This direction. So this right side is correct numbering, and from the left to right is wrong, because lowest sum, the rule is saying that is sum of the locant should be least. So this is the wrong, student. Downside, upside is correct. So here if you want to do numbering, student, this is the carbon number 1, this is 2, this is 3, student, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, student, this is 8, and all position is having methyl group. Here 2, 3, 6. So student, we can write numbering 2, 3, 6, and what will come, student, on 3 position 2, 3, 6. What is 3 times coming, student? This is the tri, this will come tri. And what is the number is, student, what is name? This CH3 group is methyl, or you can say methyl also. 2,3,6 trimethyl. What is their 8 carbon student? Word root, that is oct, primary suffix single bond, that is octane. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound student, 2,3,6 trimethyl octane. Now student, let us move one more compound and see, that is again the same rule we will apply, that is lowest sum rule. Okay, so student, how to write the name of the compound if I am giving you one question student? So let us see. This is the question student. Here is putting methyl group, bottom is methyl group, here is methyl group, and again bottom, to top to bottom. Same compound I am writing student, terminal carbon CH3, then CH, here is CH3, again if you come CH, here is CH3, again you go CH, here is CH3, again you go CH, here is CH3, and this is what is student, this is again CH3. Dear student, what we have to do student, we have to do the numbering. Okay, so we have to apply, you see student, if you want to do this side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if you want to this 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. If you see downside number, where are prefix? Second position plus third plus 4 plus 5. Do the numbering student, 3 to 5, 5, 5, 10, that is 14. And if you are going from this direction, where is 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3 plus 4, no, 4 plus 5. So how much is coming? Again 14. So any direction you can do numbering student if the same is coming. So suppose we are going here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 student. Now do the numbering. So on second position methyl group this, comma, third position again methyl group, fourth position again methyl group, fifth position again methyl group. Dear student, and if 4 times is anything is coming, so we use the term student tetra. So 2, 3, 4, 5 tetra. What group student? This is the methyl group, methyl. Then word root, how many carbon student? 6 carbon. 6 carbon is hex. And what kind of linkage is student? Single bond, that is hexane. 2, 3, 4, 5 tetra methyl hexane. This is the IUPAC name of this compound student. Now student, we can write the name of some other compound. Let us wait. We are going to write the name of the, okay, we'll try to name the okay. Thank you so much student. We will make the another video from alkene, for alkene, and from other type of substitute, alkene and alkyne. Thank you so much for watching friends.